3 years ago, I was diagnosed with osteoarthritis in my right knee. The doctor prescribed strong painkillers and said, "It's just going to get worse and worse, Rob." I could hardly get up the stairs. I couldn't walk down to the shops anymore. It hurt when I sat down, it hurt when I stood up. That was just under 3 years ago. Look at this. Right up to my bum. No pain, no inflammation. I feel great. No painkillers. I've got it absolutely under control. And here's the thing, all the things that I do to control this, the arthritis, they make me feel great, absolutely great. And I now know that because of what I'm doing, I'm seriously reducing my chances of getting heart disease, Alzheimer's, diabetes, any of those chronic non-infectious diseases. And I do it all in a natural, easy and inexpensive way. So, if you'd like to know how I'm doing it, how I'm doing this, I'm holding a free 45-minute online training seminar. A quick update here, the next seminar is coming up soon, so if you pop your details in below, I'll keep you informed, and in the meantime, I'll send you a copy by email of my fantastic inflammation busting breakfast of brilliance recipe. Enjoy. I really have discovered some simple, effective, all natural ways to reduce inflammation and pain and to keep you in absolute tip-top condition. So sign up here and I'll see you in the webinar. Cheers, Rob.